Hey guys, thank you so much for your time today. I'm recording this video as you requested in order for you to understand how much effort is involved in creating a new personalized product. So what I'll do right now is I'll just go ahead and create a new template on our software, and here what I'll have to do is enter my page dimensions. As far as I remember, you said that you were printing on an 8.5 by 11 inches, that is 215 millimeters by 279.4. So I'll just go ahead and enter my page dimensions. I'll click on create template and I'm good to go. So what I'll do right now is I'll just go ahead and create the personalization elements. I'll just keep it really simple. I'll create a text field and an image placeholder. So here I'm creating my text field. As I mentioned before, you can store different fonts on different options. So if I go to character and I want my user to select from a different set of fonts, I can just go ahead and choose that other font, and then the user will be able to see how the text works with both fonts. Then on top of that, I'll be adding an image placeholder so my customers can upload their logo. And here what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and show you how this would work. So I'll click try with an image and I'll use SpongeBob. So this is basically the picture that the user would be uploading. It's a full color picture, but as I'm sure you know, you won't be able to engrave a full color picture into a tumbler, and that's why we apply the image behavior transformation. We'll set it up to single color. So the software will transform this into a vector that a laser machine can understand. The last thing that I'll do is just select the export format. I remember that you mentioned that you work with EPS, so I'll just leave EPS here and I'm good to go to the second step. So here in my second step, what I'll have to do is upload a blank picture of my product. In other words, a picture without any personalization. So I'll just go ahead and click and upload this one, or maybe I can upload a different one that has no personalization at all. So let's see this one, for example. All right, this is great. So I'll just go ahead and position this here. Now I'll just make it look a little bit more realistic. So the first thing that I like to do is just change the color of the font. So I'll use my drop down tool to make it look like metal. And now I would apply a brush metal texture or a metal texture so it looks a bit more realistic. So if I zoom it in, you'll be able to see how it looks better, right? So you see that it has that metal effect. So I'll just go ahead and position my text here. And if I type something, for example, my name, I'll be able to see how it looks. Great. Now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and configure this picture. So if I upload, the picture here, once again, what I'll do is apply the same color that I want so my picture looks more realistic. There we go. I can also apply a little transparency. There we go. So it blends more with the background. And then that's it. On the last step, you're able to understand how the changes of the customer applies on the preview will reflect in the production file. So this is what the customer will see on the e-commerce. And on the left-hand side, this is what you'll receive as a ready-to-print file. What I'll do right now is I'll export this production file so you can try it on your laser machines and you can tell me how it worked. So thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, just feel free to shoot me an email. I'm always here to help. Have a great day. Bye-bye.